I'd like to introduce you to the Jester, one of the 5 personas by Shift Facilitation. The Jester has fun, is entertaining, is playful, spontaneous, loves to experiment, never does things the same way twice. Historically, the Jester also played an important role. Beyond just being a funny clown, the Jester also was the one who could poke fun at the king, to use humor as a way to bring important topics into discussion. And in facilitation, the Jester plays an incredibly important role, allowing the participants to have fun, to be silly, to experiment, to take risks, to laugh at themselves, and of course, using humor and lightness, maybe a little bit of levity, to at times deal with sensitive or awkward topics. The Jester. Hey, I'm Mo Poirier, founding partner of Shift Facilitation. If you're just discovering the personas and you'd like to meet the other 4, check out 5personas.com.